Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Couple quick clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I will put a link down below in the description area to a totally free 4-part series that I put together that'll walk you through how they work, what they are. But they are absolutely awesome, especially for those of you in stocks and options. If you are suffering under the pattern day trading rule, there is zero pattern day trading rule within the world of futures. So you can day trade as much as you want every single day. Second, I am trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? All that can be found at the link up overhead. I'll also put it down in the description area. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to put very little of your money at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So, whoops. A little late there. Just put on a trade. I've been watching this trend line, and it broke through it really quick. There we go. So I think I was up $80 already. That's the other thing with futures is they're basically open around the clock. I had a couple other trades there. I was too late to that one. That's why I kind of needed to get out because I I chased it. I chased it. I was aware that I chased it. That's why I got a little bit more. But yeah, I was wanting to get in up at the trend line break, which would have been a nice, much better score. But it is what it is. So there you go. Quick little trade there. And not the ideal trade as I was a tad bit slow to it, and I chased it a tad, but overall it still worked out. So, all right, I will pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find another potential trade. All right, I am interested once again of getting potentially short here. In. Let's see if we can get some movement here to the downside. There we go. Another quick little scalp. Now up 370. I will go ahead and pause. All right, market is open. Okay, now I am up 1,210 on the day. That was a very quick trade. I need to go to a different type of contract now. Quite the momentum out of the gates here. All right, there we go. A wild ride on that one, but it came out at 455, so I will take it. And sometimes flexibility is the best route. Those couple trades I made, I basically had zero flexibility in them. But in that one, I gave myself plenty of flexibility, and that was a perfect example of how flexibility is important. So I started smaller size on a smaller contract type. In futures, there's different types of contracts. There's not a whole lot. It maybe sounds super complicated. It's not. It's really not. One type of contract is more volatile than the other. So it's really as simple as that. And wow, what a recovery. But anyways, I chose smaller size on the quote unquote slower moving contract. Yeah, that one still moved pretty quick, but still smaller size, slower moving contract. And because I had the smaller size, I had flexibility where I could build up a bit of a position, and it ultimately worked out just fine. But Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and call it good. So, if you're wondering how much time do I need to, day trade futures, as you're seeing here, not a whole lot of time. It is literally, now the futures market is open pretty much around the clock. But things really pick up volatility right when the USA stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. So that's why all of a sudden it started to get jiggy with, because that was right there 9:30 a.m. Eastern when the market opens. The futures market do get a little bit of a kind of boost in energy. But as you saw beforehand, it's not like you still can't make money before the stock market opens, but they open there. So yeah, a very small amount of time, and I would say, at least for me and the amount of time I had in, a respectable amount of gain, a little over $1,600 on the day. But before I go, I do want to personally invite you to get signed up for this free live online webinar that I'm offering, that'll walk you through the tools I'm using, how I build consistency, how I manage risk, and just make sure that you have a good, solid framework to which you should be working from and operating as within the markets as a trader. So if that sounds like something that could be of benefit to you, I'll put a link down below in the description area. Or if you want to just go to claytrader.com/live, that will tell you when the next live class is. So definitely go get signed up for it. So thanks for watching. As always, if you like these live trade videos, hit that like button. If you're not yet a subscriber, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as it really does help out the channel. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.